Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might find yourself needing to move your Shiba Inu tokens from one exchange to another. Today, we're tackling how to send Shiba Inu from Kraken to Bitmart. This is a straightforward process, but as always with crypto, double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Bitmart, and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for security. Start by logging into your Kraken account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Funding section, depending on Kraken's updated interface in 2025, and select Shiba Inu from your asset list. Next, click on the Withdraw option for Shiba Inu. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, crypto transactions often come with network fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. Now, for the crucial part, you need the Bitmart deposit address. Log into your Bitmart account, go to the Deposit section, select Shiba Inu, and copy the wallet address provided. Make absolutely sure it's for the correct network. Shiba Inu is typically on the Ethereum blockchain, so confirm that matches. Back on Kraken, paste the Bitmart address into the withdrawal form. Double-check the address to prevent any irreversible mistakes. Crypto doesn't have an undo button. Enter any required details like the memo or tag if Bitmart asks for it, then review and confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to approve it via email or your authenticator app. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Bitmart and check your deposit history to confirm the arrival of your Shiba Inu tokens. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. A quick word of caution: always use the official apps or websites, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.